Tanya. In this channel, I teach CBSE 10th Maths. Check out our 8th and 10th Maths videos in the playlist.
Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.1, 5th question. Alright, now let's read the question. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the point A, B, C and D. Champa and Chemili walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chemili, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chemili disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Alright, so this is the question, okay. Alright, guys, so there are 4 friends, they are seated at a point A, B, C, D, okay. So you can just think they are just sitting in a random seats, okay, in a classroom. So while they are sitting, 4 of the friends are sitting in some other position, okay, some other seat, okay. So that time Champa asks Chemili, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" So here A, you can just, one second guys, I will just name it, okay. So according to the question, here this one is A and this one is B and this one is C and this one is D, okay. Alright, so here the 4 friends are seated here. That time Champa she asks Chemili that whether it is forming a square, this A, B, C, D, okay. How? I will just show you guys, okay. So here they are forming square like this. Perfect. But she is asking, don't you think ABCD is a square? Okay, that is the question here. So, but Chemili disagrees. Using distance formula, we have to find whether it is a square or not. Okay, how to find that? It is literally easy. Okay, so first of all, let us write the properties for square. So, square means it should have all sides are equal. Okay, so all sides are equal in a square and diagonals are equal, okay. Alright, so in case if we show that all sides are equal and the diagonals are equal, then we can say it is a square, okay. So here this BD is a diagonal and here AC is a diagonal, okay. So remember that. So here we have 2 diagonals, that is AC and BD. So we have to show that diagonals are equal, all sides are equal by using distance formula. Okay, so you guys might be wondering, we don't have any values, then how will we use distance formula? So here look at carefully, A is right over here. When you just come down, we have the value 3 and when you just go straight, we have 4. So the value for A is 3, 4. First we have to look at the x-axis, okay. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis, okay. So here the x-axis, here it was 3, that's why I just took it as 3 and then 4, alright. So now let us look at B. So here B, in this point B, when you just come straight, we have 6. So B is bracket 6, comma. So here when you just check it out, here we have 7, alright. So now let us find the values for C. So when you just come down, we have 9 and here when you just come here, here it is 4. So the value for C is 9, 4. What about D? Alright, so here D is right over here, here it is 6 and here it is 1. So 6, 1. Alright, so finally we got the value for A, B, C, D. It is literally easy to find whether it is a square or not. Alright guys, so these are the values. First let us find for AB. How to find that? By using distance formula. x2, once again, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so this is the distance formula. So here this one is x1, this one is y1, this one is x2 and this one is y2. Perfect. So now is equal to, what is the x2 value? That is 6 and minus x1 value is 3 the whole square plus y2 value is 7 minus y1 value is 4 the whole square is equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3 the whole square plus 7 minus 4 again it is 3 the whole square. Alright. So now 3 square is 9, here also 3 square is 9. So 9 plus 9, it is 18. So the answer for AB, the value for AB is root 18. Okay. Alright. So now let us find for BC. Okay. So I will just solve it here. Okay. For BC. What is the distance formula? So the distance formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is the distance formula. Okay, so here we have B right over here, C right over here. So before that I would like to write the values. So the B value is 6, 7 and the C value is 9, 1. Okay, so here this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. It is better to write it like this. Why? Because you might get confused with the previous one. Okay, so make sure that you guys write it like this, then it will be easy. Okay, then you won't commit any mistake. Alright, so here the x2 value is 9 minus x1 value, C value is 9, 4. Okay, I am sorry, it is 9, 4. Here also it is 9, 4. Alright, so now it is perfect. So here now x2 value is 9 and then the x1 value is 6 the whole square plus y2 value is 4 minus y1 value is 7 the whole square is equal to 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3 the whole square plus when we just subtract it we will get minus 3 the whole square, and root 3 square is 9 plus minus 3 the whole square is 9 is equal to 9 plus 9 is 18. Alright, so BC value is root 18. Alright, so now let us find the CD value. Alright guys, so now let us find the CD value. So I just wrote the CD right over here, and here this is going to be x1, this is going to be y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Okay, so let us apply the formula, that is distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So now let us substitute the values. So the x2 value is 6 minus x1 value is 9 the whole square plus y2 value is 1 minus y1 value is 4 the whole square is equal to, so when we just subtract it we will get minus 3 the whole square, 3 the whole square is equal to, so minus 3 the whole square is 9 and here also 9. So finally we got the value for CD, that is 18. So now let us find for AD. Okay, so what is the A value? So the A value is 3, 4 and the D value is 6, 1. So now let us apply the distance formula. AD is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is equal to, so here once again, here this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Alright, so now let us substitute it. So x2 value is 6 minus x1 value is 3 the whole square plus y2 value is 1 minus y1 value is 4 the whole square is equal to, 6 minus 3 is 3 the whole square plus here it is minus 3 the whole square. One more thing, here also it is minus. Alright, so is equal to, so be cautious with the signs. Okay, it is really important. So here 9 and here 9. So just because here we had minus 3 into minus 3 the whole square, it is 9. Okay, why? Because minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. Okay, okay, so here 9 plus 9 is 18. So this is the AD value. So finally we got all the sides value. So here the CD value is root 18, AD value is also root 18 and AB value is root 18, BC value is root 18. So when you just check it out, all these values, one second. So here we got AB value, that is root 18, and CD value, that is root 18, and BC value is also root 18 and AD value is also root 18. Since all the sides we got it as same similar values, then we can say all sides are equal. Then here we can tick this one. Why? Because this property it is suitable for this particular question. Alright, so now we have to check whether the diagonals are equal or not. So since you guys know we have two diagonals, that is BD and AC. So let us use the distance formula and find whether they are equal or not. Alright guys, so now let us find the value for AC, okay, that is the diagonal. So AC is equal to, apply the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is equal to, so here this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So x2 value is 9 minus x1 value is 3 the whole square plus y2 value is 4 minus y1 value is 4 the whole square is equal to 3 the whole square plus 0. Okay, so here 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 the whole square, of course you guys know it is 0. So 3 square is 9. So what is the AC value? So the AC value is root 9. So now let us find the BD value. So let us apply distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is equal to, so here this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Alright, so here the x2 value is 6 and x1 value is 6 the whole square plus y2 value is 1 and minus y1 value is 7 the whole square. Alright, so is equal to, alright guys, so since you guys know here now 6 minus 6 is 0, so no need to consider that. So here when we just subtract it, we will get minus 6 the whole square. So minus 6 the whole square is 36. And one more thing I would like to say is, root 36 we can actually write it as AC is equal to 6, isn't it? 6, if you want you can write units as well. Okay, why? Because root 36, of course you guys know if we write 6 that is enough. Why? Because 6 into 6 is 36, right? That is the reason. So here also it is 6. Alright, so here this is BD value, okay. So finally we got the diagonals value, that is 6 units, okay. So since you guys know the sides are equal, isn't it? So we just found out that sides are equal. Now we found out that the diagonals are also equal, okay. So I just told you the property of square is all sides are equal and diagonals are equal. So they both are suiting for this particular question. When we just use the distance formula, we got all sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Then we can say ABCD is a square, okay. Alright, so this is going to be our answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next video.